I keep hearing the same phrase more and more often. Why do we need heaven and hell if life is already good? Usually, this is said by people who live in comfort, have money, and feel safe. If their life is fine, they assume that life itself is good overall. When you ask them, how can life be good when there is so much injustice in it? They are genuinely surprised, and they reply, where do you see injustice? They look at the world only through their personal lens, ignoring everything beyond it. In this world, even one unlawfully taken life has no equivalent compensation. No punishment equals a single life. Life imprisonment is not equal. Execution is not equal. Financial compensation is not equal. The verdict is delivered by a judge, and a judge is a human being. And a human being can be influenced. A judge can be pressured. A judge can be intimidated. A judge can be bribed. There are many other ways of influence. When the defendant has money, connections, and influence, options appear. They can be released on bail. They can receive a reduced sentence. They can be acquitted. And they walk free. But no verdict satisfies those who lost someone. It does not comfort a mother who lost her son. It does not comfort a wife who lost her husband. It does not comfort children who lost their father. This pain cannot be compensated. Now, the harder question, what about those whose actions caused millions of deaths, wars, genocide, oppression? How can one person be held accountable for millions of destroyed lives? If full justice is impossible within a single lifetime, then it must exist beyond it. There must be a court that cannot be bribed, that cannot be intimidated, that cannot be bypassed, a court where no wrongdoing goes unanswered. That is why ultimate justice cannot belong to humans. It cannot remain in the hands of those who can be bribed, intimidated, or silenced. There is only one court that cannot be influenced, a court that cannot be bypassed, a court from which no one can escape. It is the court of the Almighty, a court where everyone will answer for everything they have done, for what was visible and what was hidden, for actions taken and actions allowed. No tear will be forgotten, no pain will go unanswered, no injustice will pass unnoticed. Everyone will be repaid with absolute justice, no more, no less.